Good day, guys. This is our report about of recommended construction of watertight bulkhead in ship as per SOLAS regulation. This international convention for the safety of life of sea SOLAS sets mandatory standards of the construction and maintenance of ships to ensure maritime safety. A crucial aspect of these standards concern the construction of watertight bulkhead, which are vital for maintaining a ship's watertight integrity and preventing catastrophic flooding. This report outlined the key recommendation for watertight bulkhead construction of per SOLAS regulation. Note the Note the specific requirements can, can vary depending on the ship's type, size, and intended service. This report provided a general overview reference to the latest SOLAS regulation and relevant national guidelines is essential for practical application.
Requirements. SOLAS specific minimum materials standard to watertight bulkheads. The physical requiring materials when suffix is through the and resistance to corrosion and determination. Common materials include steel, aluminum alloys, and other proven materials. The specific requirements will dep- depend depend on the bulkhead's local location and the type of ship. Construction standards. Bulkheads must be constructed to ensure water tightness under reduced conditions, including process for water ingress. This includes requirements for welding, riveting, or other joining methods, as well as the use of appropriate sealing materials. Strict totalings are specified to minimize gaps and ensure proper sales. That's all, sir.